So now we're going to work with the leg, and it's the same thing. Here, you can use glycerol to do the dissection, and it's shown here. And then you will put the cover slip. And here, of course, it will be the leg. You can cut it here, or if you, for example, are interested in studying the first dorsal segment, this is a female, so it doesn't have a sexum, but if you were interested in studying the sexum, you might cut it here. Yeah, and so when you take the picture, you can observe properly this region that is encircled there. Yeah, so you can cut the leg in different regions. Is fine depending on what you're going to study. The important is that you don't touch the region that you are going to study because you will break it. So let me explain very quickly what you're supposed to do. The first step are very similar to the wings, so I'm just going to go very quickly and tell you that you can use again our flying app or the ice maker in the same way that you did it with the wing. So again, you use the stereo microscope to do the dissection and it will be much easier. Don't use this normal scope. It will be more difficult to do the dissection there. And later we will mount the flies on a cover slip and observe it not in the regular microscope but in the fluorescent scope. Okay, same idea. You can use no glycerol water. You can use it. You can try both techniques. Either one is fine. Try to see which one will work better for you. Again, the first step is removing the head of the flies. And if you please watch the previous video that explained how to hold it and don't use blunt force steps because you will end up breaking the legs. Okay, so again, uh, uh, hold the flies in the same way that you observed it last time. Hold it using with one needle here and then decapitate the fly as you saw it last time. Is the same procedure. Okay, so here's when things start getting different. So instead of instead of destroying this part, I'm going to destroy this part. You're holding the flies, and I'm going to cut it and remove all this region. Yeah, and I will use, so I will put the needle here, and with the other needle, I can start destroying this region. Let me show you the video. The importance, so here I have the two of them, and I'm going to pinch the thorax far from the legs and start using the other one to start removing the other portions of the leg, the other portion of the body without touching and the legs in this case. Now, so the main idea is that I will end up with something that looks like this. Yeah, so legs are intact, the wings will be completely destroyed, but this region is still is okay, and you can use this part to transfer to another place. And here is the same procedure. I take this part to transfer it. If you see, this is one of the legs, this is the other leg. I can use the fourth step with water, or as I said before, or just don't touch the legs and move it into a different place. And here you can see that I have the two wings, sorry, the wing and the two legs, and I can in the when I after I transfer it, I can do an extra dissection and remove the other portions that I don't need and keep only the legs. Yeah, and then what I can do is even an extra dissection and I can cut exactly in the region that I need. So let me show you that in the following step. Okay, so you will have to, I already show you how to move this. You can put it in a glycerol and then you put the cover slip and you can arrange all of them in a similar orientation and to observe it later in the microscope without touching them. So let me show you the extra dissection that I do. So here I didn't show you the video because it's not very clear, but if you see here, this is the saxcom, here is the tibia, here is the femur, so I can cut in any of these places, and I just don't have to put the the needle, if I need this region, I have to put the needle here or here. Yeah, don't put it close to the comb. If you want to preserve a bigger portion, if you want to preserve, if you want to study the tibia, you will just don't touch this area. You will touch this area and you will hold it from there and cut it from there. Okay, so maybe you can hold it from here and use the other one to cut it here. Yeah, so always is the same thing. Okay, this video went longer than I expected. Hopefully it was clear, and if you have any doubt, let me know.